Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Duo Mobile for Verizon Enterprise MFA setup easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your smartphone's App Store. For iOS users, this is the App Store. For Android users, go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Duo Mobile. Locate the Duo Mobile app in the search results. Tap Install to download the application. Once the installation is complete, open the Duo Mobile app. You will see a welcome screen. Tap Start. Next, you must add your account. To do this, tap on the plus icon. You will be prompted to scan a QR code. Switch to your computer or the device where your Verizon Enterprise MFA setup is active. Log into the Verizon portal using your credentials. Navigating to the security settings, look for the multi-factor authentication section. Follow the prompts to generate a QR code for Duo Mobile. Once the QR code is displayed, return to your smartphone. Use the Duo Mobile app's scanning feature to scan the QR code. You may need to grant camera permissions if prompted. After successfully scanning, your Verizon account should now appear in Duo Mobile. In the app, you will see a code next to your Verizon account. This code refreshes every 30 seconds. Keep this app open for your MFA needs during login on Verizon. When logging into the Verizon portal, enter your username and password as usual. After pressing login, you will be prompted for the MFA code. Open the Duo Mobile app to retrieve the current code. Enter that code into the MFA prompt on your Verizon portal. You should now have access to your Verizon account. Congratulations on completing the Duo Mobile installation for Verizon Enterprise MFA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.